Want to hide your locked chats from other people on WhatsApp? Here's how to do it on Android. If you already have chats locked, you'll normally find them in the Locked Chats folder when you swipe down on the chat screen. If you want to hide the Locked Chats folder, open it up, tap the three-dot menu, and select Chat Lock Settings. Now tap Secret Code and create a unique code that only you know. This can be a word, phrase, or number combination. Once you've set up the secret code, enable Hide Locked Chats. It will then ask you to enter your secret code again for confirmation. As soon as you turn this on, the Locked Chats folder will disappear from your WhatsApp chat list. To access your hidden chats later, simply tap the search bar in WhatsApp and enter your secret code. The hidden Locked Chats folder will appear instantly. Make sure you remember your secret code, as you'll need it whenever you want to access those hidden conversations. And that's it. That's how to hide locked chats on WhatsApp and keep your private conversations even more secure. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips, Android tricks, and productivity tutorials.